My name is Lisa Evanoff. I'm the National Training Manager within the Red Cross for the Respect Ed Violence and Abuse Prevention Program. So Red Cross has been involved in violence prevention and looking at helping children for the past 28 years. So we are an international humanitarian organization, and we work all over the world with vulnerable populations such as children and youth. The partnership with the community of practice, with the researchers, the grad students, this has been an amazing process. I think, first off, this has been a full partnership in every aspect. When I came into this to sit on this community of practice, in my mind I had pictured I'd be working with these researchers who are at this very high level. They would be telling us all the research, all the information. So they would be the teachers and we would be the students. But that's the exact opposite happened. We worked with researchers and grad students who said, we don't have all the answers. This is a complex issue. Tell us what you know. And they looked at us to learn from us also. So I think that was a big benefit. One of the other benefits was the networking with the different NGOs, and then access to grad students to actually do evaluation of our programs. And another big one that was a bit of a surprise was this community of practice in PrevNet actually allowed us as staff from across the country to come together. So we had staff from different areas of the country invited to the community of practice meetings. They came to the Healthy Relationships training. They've gone to PrevNet conferences where they might not have had those opportunities. So when we came together, we were able to really talk about the issue and then take that information back and integrate it into our own plans across the country. So that was a huge benefit. And in doing that, it also provided senior management and program people and people in the field to all have the same information in the same language. So if you look at knowledge mobilization, that knowledge was presented, all the research best practices, and it actually made its way down to the field, which I think was a huge benefit. Our program coordinator in Atlantic Canada will probably train 2,000 youth facilitators this year in Beyond the Hurt. All of the teachers that are trained to deliver that, we've integrated the portion of the healthy youth relationships into that training, so they are directly impacted by that information. And then in the training that they deliver to the youth facilitators, we've integrated that information also into their training. So that's going to be over 2,000 kids just in one area that's going to be impacted. I think a surprise for me was how much we were valued as an organization participating in this process. I mean, we have 28 years experience working in the area of violence prevention, and this was such a collaborative relationship, and I believe PrevNet and the community of practice really looked to us also and said, what learnings have you had in working in this area? What are your best practices? So I felt that we were so valued as an organization.